In this video, you will see how to write square feet in Word document. To type the square feet symbol, first type FT2 on your keyboard and then select the number 2 using your mouse or a keyboard. And under the Home tab, here you will see the option of Superscript X square. You just need to select this option. You can select the number 2 and use the keyboard shortcut. Press and hold Ctrl key, then press and hold the Shift key and press equal to simultaneously to raise the 2. In the next method, you can go to the Insert tab, then click on Equation. Go to the Script option and select the first option, Superscript. And in the boxes, just type the numbers. To remove the italics, you can select it and then just click on AB text option to remove the italics. In this way, you can write square feet symbol in Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.